Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're over 60 or know someone who is, and you've started to feel a little less steady on your feet, you're in the right place. Feeling wobbly or worried about falls can really knock your confidence. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're going to go through 5 simple, easy to-do moves that can dramatically improve your balance, help you walk with confidence, and reclaim your independence. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a sturdy chair for support. So grab a chair, find a clear space, and let's get started on building a stronger, more stable you. First up, we have the simple but incredibly effective heel-to-toe walk. Think of it like walking on a tightrope, but much safer. Stand next to your chair, placing one hand on it for support. Now, place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of your other foot, so they're touching or almost touching. Take a small step forward, again placing your heel right in front of your toes. Aim for about 10 steps forward, then carefully turn around and walk back. This exercise is fantastic because it challenges your stability in a controlled way, teaching your body to make those small adjustments that are crucial for maintaining balance in everyday life. Go slow, focus on your posture, and keep your eyes looking forward, not down at your feet. Our second move is the single leg stand. This is a true classic for a reason. It directly targets the muscles in your standing leg and ankle, which are your foundation for good balance. Stand beside your chair, holding on for support. Slowly lift one foot off the ground, bending your knee. Try to hold this position for 10 to 15 seconds. If that feels easy, challenge yourself to hold it for 30 seconds. Remember to keep your back straight and your core engaged. After you're done, switch legs and repeat. The goal here isn't to see how high you can lift your leg, but how still you can keep your body. If you feel confident, you can try lifting your hand off the chair for just a second or two. Every little bit helps. Move number 3 is the chair squat. This is a functional movement that mimics the action of sitting down and standing up, which is something we do all day long. Strong legs are essential for good balance, and this exercise builds strength in your glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Stand in front of your chair with your feet about shoulder width apart, with your arms out in front of you for balance. Slowly bend your knees and lower your hips back as if you're about to sit down. Just touch the chair lightly before pushing through your heels to stand back up. We're not plopping down. We're controlling the movement all the way. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions. This will make getting out of chairs, cars, and off the couch so much easier and safer. Next, we have the side leg raise. Our balance isn't just about moving forward and backward. We need stability when moving side to side as well. This move strengthens your hip abductor muscles, which are key for stabilizing your pelvis. Stand tall, holding onto your chair with one hand. Keeping your back straight and your toes pointing forward, slowly lift one leg out to the side as high as you can without leaning your upper body. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower it back down with control. Don't just let it drop. Do this 15 times on one side, then switch to the other. You should feel this working on the outside of your hip and thigh. Strong hips mean a stable core, and a stable core is the key to preventing falls. Our final move today is the calf raise. Your ankles play a huge role in making tiny, quick adjustments to keep you balanced, and this exercise strengthens your calf muscles and improves ankle stability. Stand behind your chair, holding on with both hands for support. Keep your feet flat on the floor. Now, slowly push through the balls of your feet to raise your heels up as high as you can, so you're standing on your tiptoes. Hold that top position for a second or two, really squeezing those calf muscles. Then, slowly lower your heels back down to the floor. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. This simple movement can make a world of difference in your ability to react to uneven surfaces when you re-out walking. And there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful moves to help you restore your balance and walk with renewed confidence. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. Start slow, listen to your body, and you will see progress. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying active and healthy at any age. Stay safe, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.